So I'll be showing you how to remove the lock screen password, pin, or pattern from your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So unlock your phone and then go into settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to lock screen and always on display. Tap on that and then tap on lock screen lock and biometrics. Enter your password, pin, or pattern, and that's going to open the screen lock and biometrics settings page. So currently I'm using the pattern. So to remove, I can either choose swipe or none. I'm just gonna go for swipe, and it's gonna compel me to remove my pattern and Face ID data and also my fingerprint data. So just tap on remove and then confirm I want to remove the biometrics as well. And now my screen lock and biometrics is now swipe. Okay, so now there's no fingerprint, no password. My phone is unlocked. So that is basically how to remove a lock screen password, pin, or pattern from your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.